Have you ever wondered how creators get effects like this and like this? This is called the viral green screen effect, and it's actually really easy to do. My name is Rebecca Barrett, and I am a viral editing coach and strategist, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, click by click, using the CapCut app and the Edits app. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Before we jump into the edit, I really want to talk you through what I'm using. So I'm using CapCut. I'm specifically using the mobile version of CapCut. I'm just screen mirroring my phone onto my computer. And I have the pro version of CapCut. Now, do you need the pro version of CapCut? Not necessarily. You can do this without it, but it's a little bit more tricky. But having the pro version just makes your life so much easier. I have a link in the description to try out CapCut for 7 days for free. Just try it out and see how you like it. I'm just gonna go into my video. This is a talking head video, but you can do this if you're doing reaction videos, whatever. The viral green screen effect works for any video. I just have my video here. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to duplicate this clip. So I'm going to go here to duplicate, and I'm going to drop this down as an overlay. So I'm going to click the overlay button and drag it to match up with my video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that overlay video and I am going to remove the background, so remove BG. This is where the pro feature comes in handy, because when you click the auto removal, it's basically using AI to remove you from the background. If you don't have the pro feature, you're going to have to go into custom removal. And again, you're going to have to brush yourself in. They have a quick brush where if you brush yourself in like this, it will start selecting parts of you and it makes it so much easier. That's a paid feature. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you're going to have to manually go in here and brush every single part of yourself in. So this is why I highly recommend you getting CapCut Pro for this. So we'll go back to auto removal, and it's applying the auto removal. All right, now your background has been removed. So if I select this overlay clip now, I am basically free floating. I don't have any background around me. Now what I want to do is I want to click on overlay, add overlay, and I'm just going to select a photo. And now I want to size this up because this is going to be the thing I'm reacting to or talking about. Since it's a photo, I'm just going to drag this out to match up with my timeline. As you can see, the new image is still sitting on top of my background removed clip. So I want to select that third layer, the one of the image, and I'm going to scroll my menu and I'm going to go all the way here to layers. And then all I'm going to do is swap my layers. So I'm going to take that overlay clip and I'm going to click that back button and I'm going to move it back. Now I can make adjustments to that overlay clip and drag it down or add animations to it so when it pops up, but this is what it looks like. Now you can add animations for this to come in. So let's say I want to animate this thing to pop up behind me. So I'm going to click on that third layer and I'm going to go to animations. And then I'm going to select one of these. Again, a lot of these are pro features, but some of the ones that I love the most are not. So I'm going to click on this slide up and I'm going to do it for 1 second. So now, as you can see here, it's going to pop up behind me. And now you just created the viral green screen effect. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in the Edits app because you can do this for free in the Edits app. I just highly recommend you use CapCut because the Edits app from Instagram doesn't have all of the features and the capabilities that CapCut has. And if you're going to get into more complex edits, you really want a place where you can do a lot of these effects. And CapCut is my #1 for that. So let me jump into edits. So this is the Edits app and it's free from Instagram. I have my project here. And we are going to take the same exact steps. So I am going to click this main video and then I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to hit that duplicate button. And now I want to drop this as an overlay. So I'm going to select the overlay button. Now that we have our video overlaid, we just want to match it up with the main track video. Then I'm going to select the overlay clip and I'm going to go here to cut out. This is the same exact thing as remove BG. Then I'm going to hit auto and I'm going to let Meta AI cut myself out from the background. Perfect. Now that I'm cut out, I can add an overlay clip on top of that. So I can go in and add a reel. If you're doing a reaction video, you can take other reels from yourself, other people, whatever. But I'm going to go here to gallery and I'm going to select that same exact image that I had. Now I'm going to drag it so that it matches up. And again, I'm just going to size this up to match the frame. Now this is where we move our layers. And with Instagram edits, all you have to do is you take the layer that you want swapped. And so for this case, I'm going to take this overlay clip, the one of the camera settings, and I'm going to just drop it and sandwich it between the main track and the background remove clip. And that is basically it. That's how you do it. Now, again, you can add different effects and animations here to make that video pop. They don't have the same functionalities and the same exact animations that CapCut has, but in order to get that slide up effect, what you can do is you can drop keyframes. So to do this, we're going to first figure out where we want it to slide up. So we're going to drop a keyframe, and the keyframe is this little diamond with the plus button. Okay. And now we dropped a keyframe on that timeline. Then I'm just going to drag this down because I want the initial location. And as you can see, it dropped another yellow keyframe or little diamond on the timeline. So when we play this back, this is what it's going to look like. And you have the same exact effect, but you had to manually do the keyframing for that. And that's basically it. You learned how to do this in edits. You learned how to do this in CapCut, and now you can go and create your viral green screen effect for yourself. If you liked this style of video, then you will absolutely love my community where I break down even more viral effects that you see all over social media. I walk you step by step, click by click with every single one of them. There's library full of easy all the way to advanced effects. Plus, you get a community full of creators and entrepreneurs just like yourself that are leveling up their content. I provide new effects every single month, and I have monthly office hours where you get to bring me your edits. We get to look at your specific work and go through all the questions that you have. It's an amazing time, and right now it's at founder pricing. So if you want more information, check the link below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.